This is how I repaired my Apple mouse. You can see roller ball, bracket, and these are magnetic rollers. These are very tiny. Wash them with mild soap water so that all the dirt is washed out. You have to fix all these 4 magnetic rollers in the bracket. Then fix that bracket into the black socket. See, it's working well. Now screw the cable strips. Now connect the cable strip in the respective sockets. Make sure the cable strips are locked and secured tightly. Fit the inner ring first. Now fit the outer ring which holds the cable. Time to check. Connect the mouse. Now the mouse is working very well.